Hey folks, Don here from Colliver Communications. As I'm leading workshops with companies like Facebook, Salesforce, and Uber to reopen their offices and shift to the hybrid working models that everybody's talking about, team managers are worried about getting work done with some team members at home and some at the office. To address that, it's super important to be intentional with virtual meeting tools like Parallel Chat. Chat can allow flexible communication during a meeting, but when some folks are remote, they may not have access to the chat functionality at all. Tool accessibility is always a critical question to address, so clarify access before using chat in hybrid meetings. For a critical checklist of hybrid meeting considerations for team managers, check out the CHARM framework in my blog post below.